Hi guys, so I made this kaleidoscopic snowflake generator. You guys can use it to make cool designs. Mm, and also make sure to use PC, since like if you use phone, the frame rate may drop and you might not get the desired result. And so you can just hold the mouse like this to like draw something cool. I guess it's cool. Yeah, and there is also different color like sliders, RGB, and this is wrong. Like this is red, this should be green, and this should be blue. I will fix it. So, yeah, you can make like different patterns, and uh, yeah, and the faster you draw, the lesser is the stroke weight, and the slower you draw, the greater is the stroke weight. And there is also like a button like the clear, so that you can reset the whole drawing. And this change background button, what it does is randomly generate like different backgrounds. And also there is like a function called number of petals. So if you put like default is 6 and it increments by 2, so 6, 8, 10, 12. So let's do 12. Okay, yeah, let's do 12. So yeah, it draws like 12 petals like at the same time simultaneously. Now you can do like 6 and make, yeah, different patterns. And also like uh, if you wanna save the image, you can go here like download. So it will download as a PNG file. I already have something downloaded. So, and yeah, thank you. And also these are some of the uh, designs or like snowflakes made by my friends. And I have no friends. So yeah, thanks for watching. You can also get the link to this web page in the description. And also if you make sure to follow coding train, like he is a great YouTuber. If you are interested in like generative art and like algorithms and stuff like this, you can follow him. I will provide the link in the description. So yeah, mm, thanks again.